Hello students, this is the 8th part of MOD, method of differentiation. Today I am going to explain the concept of finding differentiation by using logarithms. For example, f of x is given as some g of x power some k of x, a function power another function. We need to find f dash of x. For this situation, by using concept of logarithms, you can find its differentiation. Okay students, so how to proceed, that is important. So applying a logarithm on other side with the base c. Okay, so what happened on a logarithm of f of x is equal to logarithm of g of x power k of x, the same base. So now RHS is of the form logarithm of m power n some base, some e or a. So what you can write, n into logarithm of m base a. That's why what I can write now this one, k of x into logarithm of g of x. This is logarithm of f of x. Now differentiating with respect to x, what you will get I will write here. Nana, observe students. Log of f of x 1 by f of x into inner function f of x, f dash of x is equal to, here I want to use uv, u dash means k dash of x into second function as it is logarithm of g of x plus first function as it is derivative of second function log of g of x 1 by g of x into g dash of x. But I want only f of x, f dash of x. That's why what I can say, f dash of x equal to, transfer that f of x that side, will into f of x into k dash of x into logarithm of g of x plus k of x into g dash of x by g of x. In this way you can find f dash of x. Okay. Friends, one example problem. I hope you people understood the concept. F of x is given as g of x, k of x, a function power another function. You want to find differentiation, directly can't, no? Directly can't. So using logarithms you can, applying logarithm, applying logs, after that I found the f dash of x. Okay. Yeah. If y is equal to x power x, then find dy by dx. Finding differentiation of function means at what interval it is differentiable, and that interval you are finding differentiation. Most of the students will make mistakes here. Students, observe here, y equal to x power x. So what they will do, nana, dy by dx equal to x into x power x minus 1. What they will thought, x power n differentiation is n into x power n minus 1 only. When this is valid, what n, nana? N is a rational number, constant. N is a rational number, but this is not a rational number, this is a function, variable, varying. That's why this is not right way to find the differentiation of this function. Okay, you can't use this formula. You can't use this formula because here n stands for a rational number. Here exponent is not a rational number, it is a variable. Base is variable, exponent also variable. No, we can't find directly. Using logarithms you can find. Students, listen. Okay. So y equal to x power x. Apply log another side with the base e. Okay, what happened? Logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x to the base e. So what do I write now? Logarithm of y to the base e equal to x into logarithm of x to the base e. Since I will write the what law used. Logarithm of x power m to the base y equal to m into log x base y under condition, means x should be greater than 0, y should be greater than 0, y not equal to 1, like that. Okay, now next page I will write, students, what I got. Logarithm of y equal to x into logarithm of x to the base e. Now differentiating with respect to x. Log y differentiation 1 by y, inner y differentiation y dash. This is important step, students. Very important step, students. This is very important step, students. Already explained. Okay, I will write that in bracket. That is not a big problem for me. I will write. Since d by dx of logarithm of f of x equal to 1 by f of x into inner f of x, f dash of x. Okay, yeah, y also same as f of x, no problem. 1 by y into y dash is equal to, here I want to use uv form. U dash means x dash into log of x base e plus x into log of x base e dash. What I can say now, this one, y dash by y equal x dash means 1 into log x base e as it is plus x as it is log 1 by x. Here x is obviously logarithm is involved, no? I can say what is x? X should be greater than 0 only and not equal to 1 also. 1 no problem. X is greater than 0. Okay, that's why I can cancel these two. What I can say, y dash equal to y times of 1 plus log x base e. Y dash means dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to y means problem, x power x into 1 plus log x base e. In this way we need to remember. Okay, students. So finally what happened? X power x differentiation is x power x of 1 plus log x base e. Okay. Another problem, another example problem, students. Yeah. Find dy by dx. Same procedure, Nana. Applying log another side with the base e. Directly I want to write logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of 1 minus 3x whole power cos x to the base e. Or another words I can say that logarithm of y, just I will write y, no, I don't want mention base, none already is there now. So cos x into logarithm of 1 minus 3x. Okay, yeah, you can write that, not big issue. Differentiating with respect to what? X or t. What is important? Y is dependent upon x only, no? I can write with respect to x. Log y differentiation of 1 by y into inner y, y dash equal to uv should use here, uv. Cos x differentiation into second function as it is. Okay, plus cos x as the differentiation of second function. What is that? Logarithm of 1 minus 3x dash. Should observe Nana. Logarithm is involved, no here. Logarithm is involved. I will show you. Yeah, where is that? Here. Logarithm is involved. No? Oh, I don't want to use that color. 1 minute. So here. What the meaning of that? Your 1 minus 3x should be greater than 0. 3x minus 1 should be less than 0. Your x should be less than 1 by 3. And after that, your x should be less than 1 by 3. And that conditionally you want to find its differentiation. So next page I will write y dash by y equal to minus sin x into logarithm of 1 minus 3x. Students, observe here. Differentiation of cos x minus n. Next, plus cos x into differentiation of log x is 1 by 1 minus 3x, and inner function 1 minus 3x should be differentiated. So y dash by y is equal to minus sin x into logarithm of 1 minus 3x here plus cos x by 1 minus 3x into 0 minus 3. Okay, final answer y dash equal to y times of minus sin x into logarithm of 1 minus 3x minus 3 cos x by 1 minus 3x. So finalizing now, dy by dx equal to y means problem. What is the problem? 1 minus 3x power cos x into minus sin x into logarithm of 1 minus 3x minus 3 cos x by 1 minus 3x. So this is the differentiation of this function. Okay students, now I am finalizing. Any function of the form y equal to f1 of x power f2 of x, or y equal to f1x into f2x into f3x so on, or y equal to f1x into f2x into f3x by g1x into g2x into g3x. For in these situations, by using logarithms, you can find its differentiation. Okay, for example students, x into sin x into some what I can say e power 2x is given. By using u, v, w formula you can find, or without using that also you can find by using logarithm students. So what I can say, y equal to x into sin x into e power 2x. What I can say, log of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x into sin x into e power 2x to the base e. So logarithm of y to the base equal to, already you know that log mn to the base a equal to log m base a plus log n base a, and so on. That's what I can say, log x base e plus log sin x base e plus log e power 2x base e. So what I can say, log y base e equal to log x base e plus what I can say, logarithm of sin x base e plus 2x, this one actually, because logarithm of e power 2x to the base e. So what happened, 2x into log e base e, that is 1. Now I can find its differentiation students. So this is 1 by y into y dash equal to 1 by x plus 1 by sin x into inner sin x cos x plus 2. So but I want y dash equal to y times of 1 by x plus cot x plus 2, or y dash equal to, y means you need to write this none actually. So x into sin x into e power 2x of this 1 by x plus cot x plus 2. In this way you can find the differentiation of this function without using u, v, w formula. Okay. Yeah, some example problems, students. Here some example problems are given. First one I already explained. If x power x is given, f of x equal to x power x, x greater than 0. Just now explain how to find its differentiation. So first you need to take logarithm on either side. That is the first step. After that, log y base c becomes log x power x base c. That is log y equal to x into log x. Yeah, differentiating by using UV formula, you will get this result. So what I got that. So x power x of 1 plus log x. That is the differentiation of the function x power x. Okay. So our next problem is example 2, y equal to x power 1 by x. Y is equal to x power 1 by x under condition x greater than 0. Same, applying log on the other side. Logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x power 1 by x to the base e. Or another words I can say that log y base e equal to 1 by x into logarithm of x to the base e. Now differentiating with respect to x. Friends, log y differentiation 1 by y into inner y dash. Here uv I want to use. Okay, 1 by x differentiation into second function as it is plus first function as it is, differentiation of second function. That is y dash by y is equal to minus 1 by x square only. Differentiation of 1 by x, nana x power minus 1 x power minus 1 minus 1. Okay, into log x base c plus 1 by x into 1 by x differentiation of 1 by x, inner x 1 only. Okay, so what we will get I will write in next page. Y dash equal to y times of log x base c with minus symbol 1 by x square plus 1 by x square, or y dash equal to, y means what? Problem, that is x power 1 by x into 1 minus log x base c by x square. So this is the differentiation of given function. Therefore dy by dx equal to x power 1 by x into 1 minus log x base c by x square. Okay, students, understood? So x power 1 by x. First of all, what I did done, applying log on the side the base e. Next step, law number 3 used. Next, differentiate directly 1 by y dash, 1 by x differentiation to log x base uv formula, u dash v plus uv dash. Okay, 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x square, log x as it is, 1 by x as it is, log x base c is 1 by x. Okay. So finally we will get that this is the differentiation of the given function. Yeah, next problem, students. Y is given as x power logarithm of x to the base e. So interesting one. Yeah, with the condition x greater than 0. So directly I can write logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x power log x to the base e to the base e. Logarithm of y to the base e equal to log x base e into logarithm of x base e. Okay, students. So what I can say, logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x to the base e square. So directly 1 by y into y dash equal to 2 into logarithm of x to the base e power 2 minus 1 into inner function should be differentiated. So what we will get, I will write y dash equal to y times of, okay, 2 into log x base e into 1 by x. So finally y dash means dy by dx equal, what is the problem, nana? X power log x base e into 2 log x base e by x. So this is the differentiation. Okay, so this is the problem. Applying log on other side and using uv formula or x power n formula, so we will get the result. Next problem, students, easy only. Y is equal to x power cos x, condition x greater than 0. Logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x power cos x to the base e, or logarithm of y to the base e equal to cos x into logarithm of x to the base e. 1 by y into y dash equal to uv form cos x minus sin x into second function as it is plus first function as it is into second function derivative 1 by x. I want y dash, student, that is y times of minus sin x into logarithm of x to the base e plus cos x by x. So this is the differentiation, or instead of y you can write the formula x over cos x. Okay, so next problem, x power arc tan x. Observe, students, example, yeah, y is equal to x power tan inverse of x, x greater than 0. Same, logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x power tan inverse of x to the base e. Students, I can write this one as logarithm of y to the base e is equal to tan inverse of x into log x base e. Now differentiating with respect to x, 1 by y into y dash equal to uv, u dash I will write clearly, nana, u dash into v plus u into v dash log x base e dash. So what happened? Y dash by y is equal to tan inverse of x differentiation 1 by 1 plus x square into logarithm of x to the base e as it is plus tan inverse of x into log x base 1 by x. So I want y dash equal to, y means what, none actually? Yeah, x power tan inverse of x into logarithm of x to the base e by 1 plus x square plus tan inverse of x by x. So this is the differentiation of the given function. Okay, students, our next problem, y is equal to x minus 1 power 2 into x minus 3 power 5. We want to find dy by dx. First function is taken as u, second function is taken as v. Dy by dx is equal to u dash means 2 times of x minus 1 into 2 minus 1 inner x minus 1 x1 0 1 only, no need to write. Second function as it is plus first function as it is, derivative of second function 5 into x minus 3 power 5 minus 1 4 into inner function x minus 3 1. So here I can take x minus 1 into x minus 3 power 4 common. So what is left with us? 2 is left here. X minus 3, 1 x minus 3 left plus 1 x minus 1 left here with 1 5. So what I can say, this is x minus 1 into x minus 3 power 4 into 2x minus 6 plus 5x minus 5, or this is 7x minus 11 times of x minus 1 into x minus 3 power 4. So this is the answer, Nana. So what I can say, x minus 1 into x minus 3 power 4 into 7x minus 11 is the differentiation of the given function. Okay. Sometimes if exponents are more, inner functions are critical functions, by using logarithms only you can find more easily, Nana. Just I want to find logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x minus 1 square into x minus 3 power 5 to the base e. So what I can write now? What I can write, Nana? Logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x minus 1 power 2 base e plus logarithm of x minus 3 power 5 to the base e. So what I can say, logarithm I to the base e equal to 2 into logarithm of x minus 1 to the base e plus 5 into logarithm of x minus 3 base c. And now differentiating, so direct what you get, 1 by y into y dash equal to 2 by x minus 1 plus 5 by x minus 3. Okay. So students, so I want y dash by y equal to, here x minus 1 into x minus 3, taken LCM, 2 times of x minus 3 plus 5 times of x minus 1. So y dash equal to y into 2x minus 6 plus 5x minus 5 by x minus 1 into x minus 3. So or more generally what I can write, students, here dy by dx equal to, instead of y I can write problem x minus 1 square into x minus 3 power 5 into 7x minus 11 by x minus 1 into x minus 3. Obviously this problem is valid, x is not equal to 1 and x is not equal to, and that values only you can find its differentiation. So that's why here once cancel 4 times. So what we will get, I will write last, Nana, dy by dx equal to x minus 1 into x minus 3 power 4 into 7x minus 11. So by using UV form also you got the same result. By using logarithms also you got the same result. For this problem, by using a UV formula, finding difference easy than finding a differential by using logarithms. But sometimes if problem is complicated, using logarithms only, the process becomes easy. Here also, students, you people can complete this problem just like using logarithms or using UV formula, you can find a differentiation. Here, students, y is given as x minus 2 power 2 by x plus 5 whole power 3, x greater than 2. I want to find the differentiation, I want to use u by v form. So dy by dx equal to differentiation of numerator function 2 times of x minus 2, denominator function as it is, minus numerator function as it is, difference denominator function 2 by denominator function square. So what we will get, I will write, students. Here x minus 2 into x plus 5 whole square you can take common. X minus 2 into x plus 5 square taken common. Here 2 left, 1 x plus 5 left, minus 3 left, 1 x minus 2 left, by x plus 5 whole power 6. 4 times cancel. So what you will get, I will write here only, students. Okay. Yeah, what you will get, Nana? Dy by dx equal to x minus 2 times of 2x plus 10 minus 3x plus 6 by x plus 5 whole power 4. Okay, so my dy by dx is equal to x minus 2 into here 16 minus x by x plus 5 whole power 4. This is the differentiation of given function. I want to write here the answer, x minus 2 into 16 minus x by x plus 5 whole power 4. Okay, students. Now using logarithms, log y to the base e equal to logarithm of x minus 2 to the base 2 by x plus 5 whole power 3. This is logarithm of x minus 2 power 2 minus logarithm of x plus 5 power 3 to the base e. Since logarithm of m by n to the base e or whatever it may be, log m base e minus log n base e. Okay. Next step is 2 into logarithm of x minus 2 base e minus 3 into logarithm of x plus y to the base e. Okay, students. So finally what I got, y equal to 2 into logarithm of x minus 2 minus 3 into log y equal to 3 times of logarithm of x plus 5 to the base e. Now you want to find differentiation. Differentiating with respect to x. 1 by y into y dash equal to 2 by x minus 2 minus 3 by x plus 5 directly. So y dash by y is equal to 2 times of x plus 5 minus 3 times of x minus 2 by x minus 2 into x plus 5, or y dash equal to y times of 2x plus 10 minus 3x plus 6 by x minus 2 into x plus 5. Or another words I can say that dy by dx, y means problem, that is x minus 2 square by x plus 5 cube into, this is what known as 16 minus x by x minus 2 into x plus 5. When x minus 2 get cancelled, so finally what we will get, x minus 2 into 16 minus x by x plus 5 whole power 4. Same result. Using u by v or using logarithms, you can find the solution. Students, for this problem using u by v become very difficult. Understood? Using logarithms only, easily can find the derivative of this function. Understood? By using u by v, process becomes difficult. Okay, directly I want to write logarithm of y to the base e equal to logarithm of x plus 1 power 2 by x plus 2 cube into x plus 3 power 4. Or in other words, I can write logarithm of x plus 1 square minus logarithm of x plus 2 power 3 into x plus 3 power 4. Okay. So what I can write this one, logarithm of x plus 1 square to the base e minus, again flower bracket, log x plus 2 power 3 base e plus logarithm of x plus 3 power 4 to the base e, because log m plus log n. Now I want to open bracket, students. So what you will get, I will write logarithm of y equal to 2 into logarithm of x plus 1 minus 3 into logarithm of x plus 2 plus into minus 4 into logarithm of x plus 3. This is our log y. Now you want to find differentiation. Differentiating with respect to x. 1 by y into y dash equal to 2 by x plus 1 minus 3 by x plus 2. Students, what I am doing here, actually logarithm of x plus 1 differentiation, log f of x means 1 by f of x, means 1 by x plus 1 into f dash of x. X plus 1 differentiation should find. X plus 1 differentiation, x 1 constant 0, 1 plus 0 1 only. That's why I don't write here, directly I wrote 2 by x plus 1. Similarly for x plus 2 differentiation also 1 only. Okay. Minus 4 times of x plus 3. Okay. Now y dash by y is equal to here x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 LCM. 2 times of x plus 2 into x plus 3 minus 3 times of x plus 1 into x plus 3 minus 4 times of x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay. Students, I want to write y dash equal to y into, what is that? Yeah, 2x square plus 5x means plus 10x 6 12. Here minus 3x square plus 3x minus 9x. Okay, not 9, no, 4. 3 1 4 12x. Okay, plus 3 means minus 9. Minus 4x square, 2 plus 3 minus 12x. Okay, minus 8. Divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Okay. So, but I want dy by dx, students. Dy by dx equal to, y means problem, x plus power 2 by x plus 2 power 3 into x plus 3 power 4 into x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. 1 cancel. So here 2 plus 2x square, yeah, minus 7x square minus 5x square. 4 4 7, okay, plus 10x this is minus 2x minus 14x. Okay, plus 12, 9 minus 8, 17. 17 means minus 5. Okay, so final result dy by dx minus times of x plus 1 into 5x square plus 14x plus 5 by x plus 2 power 4 into x plus 3 power 5. So this is the differentiation of given function, students. Understood? So the importance of logarithm, no? Using logarithm only easily you found the differentiation of this function.